Good morning, students. As you know, I have started the second book, Footprints Without Feet, and it's chapter number 3. We are reading. The name of the chapter is The Midnight Visitor. As you know, in the beginning there are two characters presented in this story: a secret agent whose name is Ausable and a writer whose name is Fowler. They are making conversation between each other, but afterwards enters the third main character whose name is Max. He is also a secret agent. Now open your book on page number 16. Chapter number 3, page number 16. Ausable moved to an armchair and sat down heavily. Ausable was sitting in his armchair and with great sorrow. I am going to raise the devil with the management this time. Raise the devil means, this phrase means to fight. Hangama khada karna. He is saying that he is going to fight with the management of that hotel this time. Why he is raising the devil? Because of troublesome balcony. He said grimly. He said this seriously. This is the second time in a month that somebody has got into my room through that nuisance of a balcony. Why he is going to fight with the management? Because of this balcony. This is second time. It was second time when somebody entered into his room. Fowler's eyes went to the single window of the room. It was an ordinary window. Fowler's eyes, that means Fowler was seeing a single window in that room. It was an ordinary window against which now the night was pressing blackly. Through this window, night was looking very dark. Balcony? Max said with a rising inflection. Max said, balcony? Where is balcony? He asked with surprise. No. A pass key. Pass key means private key, master key. He is saying that I didn't know about the balcony, but I had a master key. I did not know about the balcony. He did not know. In fact, he did not know about the balcony. He had a master key. It might have saved me some trouble I had known. If I would have known about the balcony, it might have saved him from some trouble. It is not my balcony. Ausable says that it was not his balcony below his room. It belongs to the next apartment. This balcony is not related to my chamber, my apartment, but it belongs to the next apartment. Okay. This glanced means he viewed, he looked. Explanatorily here means in the form of containing reasons for something. He viewed with some reasons. He looked at Fowler. You see that, he said, this room used to be part of a large unit, and the next room through the door there. This room was a part of a big room. It was used as a part of the big room. It was connected with that big room. We may say hall, used to be the living room. That would be used to be the living room. It had the balcony. That time it had the balcony, but at present it is having no balcony, which extends under my window now. Now it extends. It is connected with my window now. He is clearing. You can get onto it from empty room 2 doors down. You can get into this balcony from that empty room. And somebody did. Last month, somebody entered through the same balcony. The management promised to block it off. The management promised to close that balcony, but they didn't. उन्होंने किया नहीं ऐसा. That's why I am going to fight with the management. Max glanced at Fowler. Max looked at Fowler, who was standing stiffly, not far from Ausable. Was standing straightly and with a tightness, and waved the gun. He was waving the gun. He was waving the gun with commanding gestures with the expression of ordering. As we have a pistol in our hand and we start to command the people who are standing before us, like hands up and throw your weapons, throw your arms. इस तरह से हम कमांड करते हैं एक पिस्टल को हाथ में लेकर के, एज यू नो इन द मूवीज. तो इस तरह से कमांडिंग गेस्चर्स शो करते हुए वो गन लेके खड़ा हुआ था मैक्स. गन वॉज इन द हैंड्स ऑफ मैक्स. प्लीज सिट डाउन, ही सेड. हु सेड? Ausable said, please sit down. We have a wait of half an hour. I think half an hour we have to wait for those letters or reports for which Max had come. 31 minutes, Ausable said moodily. Max said half an hour, but Ausable is making Ausable is in the mood of making joke or fun. He is saying no, 31 minutes. The appointment was for 12:30. Meeting time was at 12:30. I wish I knew how you learned about the report, Max. I am eager to know about the thing. How you learned about the report? How did you get the information about that report, Max? The little spy smiled evilly. Little spy, who is little spy? Spy is said to be jasoos, detective. That little spy smiled evilly. Evil means with wickedness, wickedly. बड़ी दुष्टता भरी मुस्कान उसने जाहिर करी. And we wish we knew how your people got the report. but no harm has been done. I'll get it back tonight. He's saying that without any problem I'm going to get this report tonight. Tonight means this night. What is that? Who is at the door? When they are talking, somebody is knocking at the door, and Max asks, what is that? Who is at the door? किसी ने दरवाजा खटखटाया अचानक और मैक्स ने पूछा कौन है डोर पर. Fowler jumped at the sudden knocking at the door. Fowler jumped at the sudden knocking at the door. Ausable just smiled. That will be the police. Ausable just smiled with happiness. He's happy to say this, that would be the police. I thought that such an important paper as the one we are waiting for should have a little extra protection. Ausable is saying that that paper is very important. So that important paper should be provided some extra protection. कुछ उनको उस पेपर को लाने वाले को कुछ प्रोटेक्शन या सिक्योरिटी चाहिए, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट है. I told them to check on me to make sure everything was all right. I told them to check whether everything was all right. Max bit his lip nervously. Now Max becomes uneasy by listening this speech from Ausable about the person who is knocking the door. He may be police, he may be cop. The knocking was repeated again. The sound of knocking came. What will you do now, Max? Ausable asked. अब क्या करोगे? पुलिस आ रही है. If I don't answer the door, they will enter anyway. If I don't open the door is already opened and they may enter anytime anyway. Anyway, कैसे भी करके वो अंदर आ जाएंगे. The door is knocked and they will not hesitate to shoot if the door is opened. If the police is there, they will not be hesitate to shoot. Max's face was black with anger as he backed swiftly towards the window. Max's face was red with fear and anger as he went quickly towards the window. He swung a leg over the sill. Sill is said that the slab of stone at the foot of the door or window. दरवाजे या खिड़की के नीचे जो लंबा सा पत्थर की चौखट होती है, चौखट का एक पार्ट होता है, that is called sill. Send them away. He warned. Who warned? Max warned. Send them away from here. I will wait on the balcony. I will wait on the balcony. Send them away or I'll shoot and take my chances. He is threatening here that if you don't send the police back, I will shoot them without any hesitation. He will get the benefit of the chances and opportunity. The knocking at the door became louder and voice was raised. Mr. Ausable, Mr. Ausable. Keeping his body twisted means bent. Keeping his body bent so that his gun still covered the fat man, and he turned some little bit, but his gun's direction was towards fat man and his guest. The man at the window grasped the frame with his free hand to support himself. The man, which man? Max. Max at the window held tightly the frame with his free hand to support himself. He held the window tightly to support himself so that he may not fall. Then he swung his other leg up. Then he moved his other leg to put up and over the window sill, where on the slab at the foot of the door. वो विंडो सिल के ऊपर पैर को सही रखने के लिए उसने पैर उठाया. The doorknob means kunde. The doorknob turned. Swiftly Max pushed with his left hand to free himself from the sill. फिर उसने अपने को धकेला लेफ्ट हैंड से ताकि वो विंडो सिल से अपने को फ्री कर सके. एंड ड्रॉप टू द बालकनी, और फिर उस बालकनी पे अपने को जो है वो वहां पर कूद सके. एंड देन एज ही ड्रॉप्ड ही स्क्रीम्ड. एज soon as he dropped himself, he screamed, he cried with pain once, shrilly. Shrilly means with a sharp sound. Why this line? Underline this sentence. And then as he dropped, he screamed once, shrilly. As soon as he jumped on the balcony, a loud cry created from him. Why he cried? Was there any balcony? I think there was no balcony. It will be cleared in last lines. There is no balcony, but he thought that there is a balcony and I will be safe by jumping on this. But he jumped, there was no balcony, and he had fallen on the ground. The door opened and a waiter stood there with a tray, a bottle and 2 glasses. Here is the drink you ordered for when you returned. This is the drink for you because you ordered. The waiter is telling Ausable that he ordered for this drink, and that's why he had brought. He said, and set the tray on the table, and put the tray on the table. Deftly means quickly. Uncorked, quickly opened the bottle and left the room. He opened the bottle and left the room, and his task finished. White-faced Fowler stared after him. White-faced means frightened, nervous. Fowler was now with great fear. Fowler was frightened and stared nervously. But he stammered. Stammered means spoke falteringly. With speaking with faults. हकलाना जिसे कहते हैं, ठीक से नहीं बोलना. He stammered. Who stammered? Fowler stammered. The police There were no police. There was no police. Ausable sighed. Sighed means took a deep breath of satisfaction. Ausable sighed. There were no police. Only Henry, whom I was expecting. Only Henry was there, whom I was expecting. But warned that man out of the balcony. Fowler began. But warned that man out of the balcony. But लेकिन वो आदमी जो है, मैक्स का चेहरा जो है क्रोध से काला पड़ जाता है, हियर, एंड तेजी से खिड़की की ओर पीछे को हटा, अंधेरे में अपना एक पैर खिड़की को बाहर से लटका दिया। ये लास्ट वाली लाइंस देखेंगे हम इसकी। यहाँ कोई पुलिस नहीं थी। उसने गहरी सांस ली। एज आई टोल्ड यू, Ausable took a deep breath, expecting about Henry, because there was no police. केवल हेनरी था, वेटर जिसकी वो इंतजार कर रहा था। बट want that man out on the balcony. लेकिन बालकनी वाले उस आदमी का क्या होगा? What about that man who jumped into the balcony? And who jumped? Once again I tell you, Max was there. He was frightened with the police, and he jumped suddenly in the balcony. But there was no balcony. And what about that man? Ausable is asking about Max, that what will happen to that man Max who jumped in the balcony. No, said Ausable, he won't return. He won't return. Underline. Why he is saying so, that he won't return? He would not return here again. Ausable is clear in his thought that he would not return back, because naturally there is no balcony. He had fallen vertically on the ground, and with a great hurt he would have died. He might have died. वो नीचे गिर गया और मर गया होगा. That's why he would not return back. You see, my young friend, there is no balcony. Now he has cleared this, that there is no balcony. This is a detective story about this secret agent, and I hope you would have understood each and every important point of this story. There are three main characters: Ausable, Fowler, and Max, and they are running after, they are fighting for that report, that very important report that has whole history hidden in that report. And Max has also come to collect that report. But what happened with him? In the end, you have seen in this story. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to wash your hands again and again whenever you touch anything. Don't go outside. Stay home, stay safe. Once again, thank you and